Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie. I want to welcome you to Burlap Allie. Today I wanted to show you how I do a patriotic Americana wreath using a grapevine base and a scarf that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And these are the supplies I'm using. I picked up these picks from the Dollar Tree. These fabric ribbons were from the Dollar Tree. All of these florals were from the Dollar Tree. I'm using 2 of the red, 2 of the white, 2 of the blue, and this is the scarf. So we're gonna wrap it around a grapevine. I've already gotten the stickers off of my florals, and I got the tag off of a scarf, so we're gonna get started with the scarf. This is gonna go very fast. See, I don't like this part of the wreath, so I'm just gonna cover it up. You could actually use 2 scarves if you wanted to. It's not really even, so I'm going to even it out. So I'm just going to tie it off for now. Work with my placement over here. That's about the way I want it. I want it nice and tight. So now I'm going to secure it with a zip tie. Okay, now this part is gonna go super fast. So I didn't take them off of the stems. I'm gonna leave them on, leave them whole. So I'm going to layer. So I want the red, the white, and the blue, just like that. And I'm gonna zip tie this off. So we've got the red, the white, and the blue. So I'm going to do the same here. I'm just layering them. Now I'm going to zip tie this off. Now I'm going to put them together like this. And I'm going to zip tie this all together. Now I want to put it on my grapevine. So I'm thinking I want to put it right here. And once I get them on, I'm going to mess with the florals and kind of like bend them the way I want them to be. So we're going to place that right there. And I think I'm going to use a zip tie for this as well. That's on there, it's not going anywhere. Now I'm going to work on my bow. I'm starting off the blue burlap, and I'm starting with a 10-inch tail. We're going to do 5-inch loops. Just put it in between the dowels, and then you twist it down. Now we're going to do a 5-inch loop over here. And twist it down. Next one I want to go in with is probably this one. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I should have already taken the wrapper off of this. I wasn't thinking clearly. All right, so same thing, we're gonna do 10-inch tails. Drop it down in between the dowels, twist it off. This is more of like a satiny ribbon. Make a 5-inch loop, twist it as it's going down into the dowels. Another 5-inch loop, twist it. The best advice I have for anyone who wants to make bows, you can get an easy bow maker, and it's just practice. Practice, practice, practice. Now this is the fabric ribbon, and I don't know if I'm going to make loops with it, but I am going to use it as tails. I don't think loops will work. We can try it. Because it's not a wired ribbon. It's more fabric. I kind of staggered that one down to about 4 inches, 4-inch loops. And then I had this left over from last year. So I thought it would be fun to add that too, just kind of use it up. I think we'll do 4-inch loops for this one as well. And as you're going down into the dowel, just twist it off. Cut that off. And I have this plaid that I kind of want to use up. Oh, look. Yeah. This was left over from a lemon wreath, I think, that I did. But we can use that as a tail. And let's see what else I have. I think I'm going to do one more of this ribbon. This is going to be a big, juicy bow. Okay, now. In order to get this out of the bow maker, I'm going to take my zip tie. I'm going to make sure that I'm underneath all the loops over here and in the middle. So what I'm going to do, excuse me, is start the bow, or start the zip tie. I'm not going to crank it all the way down, and I'm going to use this to help me get it out of the bow maker. So there it is. I'm going to bring the zip tie to the back, add a pipe cleaner. This way I have a way of attaching it to the wreath. Now I'm going to crank it all the way down. Now I'm going to fluff up the loops, get them where I want them, And I'm going to attach it to the grapevine. But there's my bow. It's a big juicy bow. Okay friends, now I'm going to attach my bow to my grapevine. I'm going to go right in the middle of those florals. And I'm going to use my pipe cleaner. I give it a twist in the back. I'm just going to go right in between these florals. So I'm going to twist tie this off in the back. And then I'm going to tuck the pipe cleaners back into the grapevine. There we go. Now I'm going to mess with the bow a little bit more, because it's what I do. Now I'm going to cut my tails. I'm just cutting these at a slant. I think I'm going to leave the fabric ribbon squared off. I kind of like that. But the bigger ones I'm going to dovetail. Just add extra detail to the project. Anyway, so there you have it. I'm gonna probably, you know what, let me just fluff up these florals real quick. Because I want them to kind of go up and around the wreath. There. Not bad. That's an easy project. And it's very inexpensive. Most of this stuff came from the Dollar Tree. The roses, these, I don't know, but florals right here, the blue florals. The burlap blue ribbon I already had. And then some stuff was left over from last year and some stuff I did pick up this year. And then you just put the scarf on there. Okay, folks, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.